Hello guys and welcome. My name is Wim and I am the creator of ForexEASolutions.com. In this quick video guide, I will show you how to create your dashboard, install the EAs into your MT5 and get your MT5 ready for trading. I hope you enjoy it. First, you will have received an email like this, where you can create your account. You simply click on Create Your Account, which will take you to our website. Here you fill in your name, email address, and a new password that you can choose. After that, simply click Create Account. After that, you will receive another email where you have to verify your email address. Simply click Verify Email Address, and it will take you back to the Forex EA Solutions dashboard. Once you log in, you will see this page where you can see all the EAs included in the package you just bought. Here we can download all the EAs separately. You simply click, right-click, Save Link As, and you put them somewhere on your computer. In my case, I put them in this folder, Downloads/EAs. As you can see, I have already downloaded all the EAs here, so they are ready to put into the MT5. Next step is we will go to the MT5, where we will install the EAs. Simply click on File, Open Data folder, go to MQL5, Experts, Advisors, and this is where you will put the EAs that you just downloaded. So in my case, I will go back here to my folder, select all the EAs, copy them, go back to the MQL5 folder where the EAs should be put, paste, and now all your EAs are in the right folder. Now just simply go back to your MT5, go to your Expert Advisors, right-click, and click Refresh. And now you see all the EAs are already installed on your MT5. Next step is we're going to prepare the MT5 for trading, because by default some options are wrong or false or turned off, so we're going to make some small changes. We're going to go first to Tools, Options, go to Chart. The maximum bars in chart is set to 100,000. This is quite a lot and not useful for many EAs. We're going to set it to 1,000. In this way, the MT5 will use less bars in the chart, will speed up the MT5. Next, we're going to go to Expert Advisors. Here we're going to go Allow Algorithmic Trading, and we're going to disable these two. Because if we enable these two, anytime you make a change, like change account, it will remove or stop algorithmic trading. Next, we're going to input a few URLs that the EAs require for the licensing system, for the news filters, etc. The URLs are all available in the portal. So we go back to the portal, go to the guides. Here we have the general quick step setup, which basically explains the exact same things that I'm explaining right now. So we click on it, and here you can see the URLs we need to insert. So we're simply gonna copy them into here. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we want to make sure we allow the web request for the listed URLs so they can be used by the EA. Now the next step is we're going to need to activate the accounts in your licenses on the dashboard. So when we go back to the dashboard, you will see licenses. Here you see all the EAs that can be used. For each EA, we need to activate the account numbers that we want to use. You can activate up to 10 licenses per EA. So in this case, my account number for this account is this number. We're going to copy it. We're going to paste it into the dashboard, and we simply click on Activate. Now we see the license has been activated successfully. We can again remove it or add more if we want to. You can do this for each EA separately. Once the account is activated, it may take a minute or two. The EA will be able to trade in the MT5 on that account. Okay, so by now the EA should be activated and it should work. To see if the EA is activated, simply click and drag the EA to the chart. You can use default settings for Gold Reaper for testing. Click OK. As you can see, the EA is running and setting trades. So this EA is activated. Again, if you want to activate more accounts or more EAs, simply go back to your dashboard, click on Licenses and fill in your account number and click on Activate. Next, I really advise going into the guides where there's a product manual for each individual EA where you can read more about how to set up the risk, the parameters for each EA individually. Also in the dashboard, you will find set files. There are set files for each EA individually, which you can see when you click on this arrow with different risk settings. You can download them all together by clicking on the zip file. Also, I included a bunch of sets to run the EAs together on well-diversified portfolios. For example, for standard accounts, meaning your own live trade accounts, you can use the set files here. These are already set with lower risk for each EA so that you can run them together without risking accounts blowing up. I also included separately set files for prop firm accounts, for DarwinX, and if you have some bigger accounts, these set files can be added as well for these EAs. I highly recommend testing EAs first before going live. By testing, I mean running backtests. So I would always recommend first downloading the set files you think you want to use, run a backtest with them, and then eventually go live. So that's it for this quick setup guide. If you want more information about how to run the EAs, I highly recommend joining our Discord group, the link to which you can find on the main website, www.forexeasolutions.com. Hope to see you there soon. Bye-bye.